Welcome to visareservation.com. Our aim is to make applying for visas easier than ever. If you're planning on travelling to Europe, you may need a visa to be able to enter any of the 26 countries in the Schengen area. There are 62 countries whose citizens do not require a visa to be able to enter the Schengen area. Citizens of other countries do require a visa to be able to enter and stay in any of the countries that form part of the Schengen area. If you're not sure whether you need to apply for a visa or not, don't worry. Here at Visa Reservation, we want to help you understand everything there is to know about applying for visas. So, with that in mind, let's take a look at who requires a Schengen visa and who doesn't. Citizens of Australia, Japan, Malaysia, the US and the rest of these 62 countries who hold ordinary passports may enter the Schengen area for pleasure such as tourism or visiting family or friends, and business purposes such as attending a conference or meeting clients without a visa for short stays of up to 90 days in a 180-day period. If you're planning on going for longer, you'll need to apply for a national visa, and details of this can be found on the website of the embassy or consulate you're dealing with. If you're from any of these countries, including Egypt, India, Kenya and Thailand, you do need to apply for a Schengen visa to be able to enter and stay in any of the Schengen countries. Again, you're only permitted to stay for a maximum of 90 days, otherwise a national visa is required. If you're from a country that does require a visa, you'll have to state the nature of your trip, whether that's for tourism, business purposes or any other reason. If you're planning on visiting a non-Schengen country, but you need to change planes in the airport of a Schengen country, you'll need to apply for an airport transit visa. If you're from any of these countries, you must apply for a transit visa in order to connect with a second flight on your way to your final destination. These nationalities include Bangladesh, Ghana and Iran. You are excluded from requiring an airport transit visa if you fall into any of these categories, such as holding a long stay or short stay visa for a Schengen country, or you're a family member of an EU citizen. If you're planning on working in Europe and you plan to stay for over 90 days, you must apply for a national visa. However, people who come from the US, Australia, Canada, Israel, Japan, New Zealand, Switzerland and EU citizens do not require a working visa. However, if you come from any of these countries, you're still required to have a legal right to stay in the Schengen zone and have a work permit. Residence and work permits can usually be applied for once you arrive in your chosen country. So now you know who needs a visa and who doesn't. If you're from a country whose nationals require a visa to be able to enter the Schengen area, the next step is to begin your application. But if you're not sure where to begin, our friendly team can guide you through all the steps involved in applying for a Schengen visa, including whether you need a visa or not. All you need to do is contact us at www.visareservation.com. Visa Reservation can also help with flight and hotel reservation, travel insurance, travel guides, visa interview guides and much more. Remember, if you need assistance with visas, check out our blog page where you'll find many articles about applying for visas. Plus, you can also refer to any of the resources, tips and links included in this video. Thanks for watching.